concert ang Final Showdown. Naririnig mo ba yung mga kapamilya natin sa studio? My gosh, standing ovation coming from Judge JK. Grabe ka, Alexa. Singing her own rendition of Kisap Mata, another River Maya original. And speaking of which, I think we got one of the band members here, Sir Mark Escueta, in the studio. Maraming salamat po.
Sorry,
for
nandito
music.
pala ako.
Ayan. And sakto yung look mo, Alexa. Very Jolina Magdangal. Ganda na ganda na ganda. But this time, eto naman ang mga komentong hindi dapat maglaho sa'yo. Let's ask the comments coming from the judges. Ate Angge.
Alexa! Hello, kamusta ka na?